Everyone, time check. It's 7:59. So we're still here and Pacific Ocean. So this place is Ocean Shores. It's so cold and windy. Yeah. Hi guys. It's cold. I'm gonna get this cake because we celebrate a birthday of my lovey dudes. So we're here to blow the candle. Kurog akong kamot. No, okay lang na oy. Kurog lang akong kamot. Okay, honey. Tugnaw kaya. Woo! Tugnaw. Very cold, guys. Happy birthday. Shaking. I don't know. My hand's shaking. Oh, very cold. Okay, so cold. Oh. Di kaya sa labas, guys. Perting tugnawa. Na late mi sa sunset. Kituyok-tuyok mi sa GPS. So kung nakaabot lang tamig mga saysay mga alas 6. So okay. Ay, di rin namin magkanta eh. Sulod sa kinan. Okay. Let's sing.
I'm gonna take a picture of this.
Okay. Katugnaw.
How do I? This.
Yeah.
This is the one.
Nice. So let's sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Jim Boy. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Jim Boy. How old are you? Secret.
61.
61?
Secret.
It look like 16.
Oh, geez.
Yes.
you're too kind.
Of course, I'm so kind. So, okay, what's your wish, honey?
Secret.
Secret? Me, I wish you good health always
Thank you.
and happy family.
Yes, I like that.
Okay.
wish.
How about you, Che?
It's not my birthday. Why are you making a wish?
Oh, no, you wish your dad.
Actually, my happy birthday. That we got here safe. And
Yeah.
without mom nagging too much.
What?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, you're kidding.
Wish, honey. You need to wish
Oh
something.
yeah, I wish that we will always communicate well with each other and have a strong family because of it.
Okay. Okay. Blow your candle. Yeah!
Yay.
Like that, guys?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This cake looks like it has really good ingredients.
Plates, Jeff. No, plates, Jeff. You don't need to cut that way. That's enough. so that is not like
Okay.
dancing ring. Okay, have this that way. I'm gonna eat only very small bite.
Okay. All right.
Paper plate?
Mhm.
Are you holding it, huh?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Okay.
One.
Good job. That's it. You want more? I'm just eat that thing
Okay,
there.
that's yours.
No, me and Chichi share.
Okay, I'm gonna have that one.
Oh, okay. Hindi na siya paalas. What is siya?
My
Is
birthday.
this cake?
My birthday.
It's chocolate cake, guys. You cannot get anything from him
Just a second.
because he loves. No, honey, that one.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, let's eat.
Ta-da!
Yeah, eat na.
Aren't these gals swell? Aren't they just swell? I think so. I feel very blessed. I feel very blessed. Actually, every day I feel very blessed.
Hmm?
Thank you, Han.
Mhm.
Ay, ang tino ba nasa likod mo?
Ha?
Ang tino nasa likod.
Napa may tinid? Oo.
Thank you, bud.
Di na, ay, gano'n na lang. Uy, charot.
You need the pork?
Not really. I mean, we've got a spoon here. You know, we can make it work. I can eat with this knife, actually.
Oh, I try. I'm gonna go outside.
Let's see what's here. It's windy out there. Dang, I wish we could have caught that sunset. That would have looked nice, you know?
You want juice? Calamansi juice?
No.
Coffee?
How about that coffee?
Okay. It tastes good or it tastes good?
You can just hold it and I'll just stick it. Takay ba yung mukha mo? Ano? Takay ba yung mukha?
Wala. Wala lang. Hindi mo tanggal ang secret sa mga ikon. Ang kulit.
Hugaw na niya.
We can come back here, honey.
Oh, yeah. It would be nice.
The cake is so good.
It is a good cake. I had actually never had this one before.
Okay, guys. Have a good night. Because it was gabi na dito sa amin. 8:13 p.m. So, okay. Happy birthday, Han.
Thank you, Han. Thank you, bud.
You're welcome, Han. Okay, bye.
Bye.
See you in the next video.
See you in the next video.
Okay, we're heading back. Back. It's a nice place here. Ocean shores.
Yep.